In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Freshbooks for sole trader. If you are running your business as a sole trader, Freshbooks can help you manage clients, create invoices, accept payments, and track your time in one place. To follow along, make sure you are logged into your Freshbooks dashboard, and keep an eye on the menu and buttons as we go. First, click the gear icon, which is usually labeled Settings. This is where you control the core details of your account. From the Settings area, select Company Profile. Here you will be able to set your business information and, most importantly for this step, your business structure. Take a moment to confirm that the structure matches your setup as a sole trader. This helps Freshbooks format things correctly and ensures your account is configured the way you need it for everyday invoicing. Once your company profile is set up, you are ready to bring in your customer information. Next, click Clients in the main navigation and then select New Client. This opens a new form for entering your customer details. Add the customer information you need for invoicing, such as their name and any other required fields shown on screen. It is a good idea to double-check the details before saving, because you want your invoices to display accurate customer information every time. Now that you have your clients set up, you can start billing for your services or products. Click Invoices and then select New Invoice. Freshbooks will take you to an invoice creation screen. Create a new invoice for the client you want to bill. Add the line items and any descriptions that match what you delivered. Review the invoice details as you build it, because this is what your client will see, including the total amount due. When everything looks right, save or generate the invoice according to the options you see. After the invoice is created, you can make payment easier for your client. Within the invoice, look for the option Accept Online Payments and select it. This is the setting that enables credit card options for online payment. Once you enable online payments, your invoice can offer a smoother way for clients to pay without waiting for bank transfers or manual steps. Be sure to review any prompts that appear on screen so that the credit card payment options are properly enabled for your account. With billing underway, it is also important to track the work you do so you can charge accurately. Freshbooks includes time tracking, and you can link it directly to clients. Click Time Tracking or Schedule, and then use the tools there to log your billable hours. The key part of this step is to log the time to specific client projects. Choose the right client and the correct project before you save your time entry. This keeps your records organized and makes it much easier to support your invoices later, especially when you are charging by the hour. As you get used to these steps, the workflow becomes very straightforward. You set up your business structure, add clients, create invoices, enable online payments, and then log billable time to the right projects. Each part builds on the previous one, so your invoicing process stays consistent and your financial records remain clear. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.